Yeah, so looking at some other oddities going on with the solar wind, this happens to discover all the time. You get missing data. And could that be from cosmic ray flux? Not exactly sure, but keep in mind that sometimes if cosmic rays are powerful enough, they can indeed cause an increased KP index. So you see all this missing data. Now the ACE doesn't have the missing data. See if you look at the black solar wind graph, everything's there. Although a little sketchy, it's lining up with the phi angle of that small coronal hole. However, if you look at the Discover solar wind, whoops, little bit of missing data there. It's not because anybody covered it up, it's because the satellite shut itself down, probably. I don't know how to figure out if there was a CCD bakeout on those satellites or not, but anyway, we've been talking about the electron flux. Now keep in mind, cosmic rays can induce electron flux. Looks like it's going back up again. Now, we notice the F2 ionosphere layer is looking pretty normal, actually. We're up to 10 megahertz. However, if you go to our Instagram page at instagram.com/smashomath, I don't know if this is going to be sideways now, you can see that thing charged up to 15 megahertz. So let's get off there since Instagram doesn't like the screen rotation. Whatever's up with that. Now, as the electron flux rises, as we saw on our last readouts, before we look at that on here, there's actually an anomalous thing happen on the eastern limb of the sun again. We've got a lot of X-ray coming in, the whole eastern limb. And the western limb was getting violet before those active regions set, but now the eastern limb is also quite active, surprisingly active. And last but not least, there is a massive electron influx going across the U.S. from east to west. It's only in the last few minutes of this readout here, but watch that graph get completely red. Right now, as this video is being uploaded, the Great Lakes are getting bombarded with electrons. What does it mean? Well, higher magnetic fields, higher induction of current, lots of weird stuff happening. Let's look at the SDO just to see what's going on with the sun, if anything interesting is happening on a visual basis. Check out the 171 angstroms video of that eastern limb. Doesn't look like anything too interesting is going on. Anyway, thanks for watching.